I didn't get your head.
We're going to be cutting 2x4s and 2x6s. Or no, not 2x4s, 2x8s and 2x6s, whatever comes out the best. I get the 2x8s, so we're going after, but to make 2x6s, we'll go with that. It's about an 18-foot log. It's going to be used for trailer decking for hay wagons and whatever else they use it for. So, make some cuts, see what happens.
Are y'all ready for this?
Cold out here. My boy took off my gloves, so I'm going without gloves. So now, all I got to do is just 2 inches down, 2 inches at a time, and we'll have our 2x8s. That cut out pretty nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got 8 of them per stack. Got about 16 boards out of that long. And so I'm just gonna flip the whole thing up in the forks, pull it out. That way I don't have to manhandle it. It makes it much easier on the back. I'm all about saving the back. bus is going to come out. There we go. Well, I got that one taken care of. I think we got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 20 boards out of that one. I think I counted it before. I kind of forgot. And but they turned out really nice. I checked it. They're true 2x8s, and a log that long, and it actually did not bow much. It had some tension. It just had a whole lot. But typically, a log that long, if it has a little bit of tension in it, the thickness will vary from one end to the other because of the board letting some tension out. But this one here turned out pretty good. It was very consistent thicknesses, so I think the customer will be very satisfied with it. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and I'm going to be putting more content on, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.